Okay, so we're gonna act like the yellow plug is the outlet. Okay, it's just an extension cord. I don't have an outlet close by, but the black box is the foot switch. Okay, that black box goes into the wall. Okay, and then the top plug is the actual lights to the washout booth. And then all you do is click it and it turns on the lights. Click it again, turns it off. So that is a pretty cool feature. And then we'll turn it off again. So that's basically how you do the foot switch. Plug the black box into the outlet and then plug the lights to the washout booth into the black box, and that's how it looks. That's it for the Ranar Econo Backlight washout booth, and hopefully this tutorial was good. Hopefully it helps you to put your washout booth together if you get the backlit. If you don't get the backlight, it's just going to be a sheet of galvanized steel in place of the acrylic. So it'll be a whole lot easier to install. Leave a comment down below and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, hit that button. Subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Ding the little bell so you get notified. I have plans to put out tons of videos, sublimation, screen printing, and any other printing processes that we are doing here, and yeah. So hopefully this video was helpful, and we'll talk to you next time. And hope you're having a good day printing. Bye bye.